wrinkles?
Well, as I've gotten older, they seem to have gotten more defined. So I
As you
just
get older, your
looking
wrinkles
for
become
ways
more
to kind of
defined.
slow down the
Other
time,
ways to
the hands of time.
Very admirable
Slow it
desire.
down.
Explain this a little bit about how the skin stays
Rather
so
than
smooth and
see
what we can do to
the
enhance it.
wheels of
Well,
time.
what we can do, Greta, is you want to have a diet rich in antioxidants.
You can have a
because
diet
these
rich
are
in
going to clear up
antioxidants.
all those free
Those will
radicals that
help
cause skin
clear up
damage
those
and
free radicals
aging.
that cause
So it's important to
skin
use
damage.
sunscreen to protect your skin from the outside, but there's also lots of foods we can eat to protect our skin from the inside.
So the first superfoods for the skin are ones we call the ACE foods. They stand for vitamins A, C, and E. And Dr. Peterson, explain how the individual foods work and also which ones we can select, which are the best.
Absolutely. So the ACE foods are foods that are super rich in antioxidants. And easy acronym to remember, A is for vitamin A. And in general, if you're trying to find foods rich in antioxidants, you want ones that are nice and brightly colored. So sweet potatoes are an example of foods that are rich in vitamin A. And they, again, scavenge up those free radicals to help smooth your skin. Next is vitamin C containing foods. Our seafoods are also really brightly colored. Red bell peppers are a beautiful example. These are one of the highest containing vitamin C foods. And a little tip for vitamin C foods, try to eat them raw.
Okay.
Because if you cook them, a little bit of the vitamin C can leach into that cooking water, and you want to get all you can from consuming those.
I like all of it.
And then finally, we have our vitamin E containing foods. And these are examples such as nuts, like almonds.
Which is your favorite of these three?
I like all of it.
All of them. Well, good. You can eat them all. That's good.
And whatever you tell me to eat, Dr. Alford.
Thank you very much.
And she likes the foods that are rich
Superfoods, the
skin
Super Skin helps bring life back to
helpers,
your face. Shelly tells us that her
vitamins
skin
and
is not as
minerals.
radiant as it
Now
used to
she
be.
knows, yeah.
When I was
ACE.
younger, my skin used to be more radiant.
Foods.
Now that I'm getting
Good for
older,
you.
I've lost my
Let's
glow.
do.
Dr. Oz.